Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's talk about what is consignment process with a relatable example from retail industry. Imagine yourself as a sales manager of a leading retail brand. One of your objectives is to increase your sales by placing your products directly at stores so that customers can have a look and feel of it and buy them directly if they like it. First, let's understand what exactly is consignment process. Consignment process allows you to place your products at customer's location without transferring ownership until they are sold. Now, let's understand how this consignment process works in retail industry. Imagine you work with a popular clothing brand and they have launched a new collection for this season. You want to place the collection in several retail stores now. Here's how it will work in SAP. Consignment fill-up. You send your new collection to several retail stores, ensuring they are available to customers. The ownership of goods remains with you until the customer sells them. Consignment issue. As the retail stores sells your clothes, the system updates the inventory and records the sale transaction. At this point, the ownership of goods gets transferred to the customer. Consignment pickup. After the season ends, you pick up the unsold inventory from the stores, making space for new collection. Consignment returns. If any of the items are returned by customers, consignment process in SAP allows you to manage this and document this effectively and efficiently.